Yeah, morning all. So in the last class, just have given introduction to DJANGO, right? So today I'll be discussing about the major language, right? HTML. HTML. Hypertext markup language. Hypertext. Okay. HTML is the major language, right? HTML is the major language of www, World Wide Web. www is nothing but World Wide Web. So web pages are written in HTML. Web pages are written in HTML. Which brings together, right, the text, images, videos, links, etc. So can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear?
Yes.
Etc. All into one place, right? All sit into one place. So I can say HTML is a markup, it's a markup language. That does the structuring and formatting job. Right? Yes, that does the structuring and formatting job. Hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language, right? Yes, copy this. Okay. What is hyper? HTML allows, right? HTML allows non-linear non-linear access. Non-linear access to information. What do you mean by non-linear? Linear and non-linear. Non-linear means, linear means, for example, if you are reading a book, right, for example, a story book, linearly you will read from the first page to the last page, right? Non-linear means, for example, Python. If you want to read if you want a particular concept, directly you will go non-linearly to that particular topic and reads it, right? So here non-linear, nothing but anyone can access anything from the World Wide Web, right? Anyone can access anything from the World Wide Web, Anyone can access anything from the World Wide Web. Hypertext, text, right? Text. HTML code, right? HTML code is a simple text. So here hypertext markup language, hypertext markup. Next is like markup. Tags are used, right? Here tags are used to mark the information. Hypertext markup language. Hyper allows non-linear access to information. Anyone can access anything on the World Wide Web. Text HTML code is simple text markup. Here tags are used to mark the information. Language. It is a language, right? Yes. Okay. For writing HTML code, HTML code, right? We require for writing HTML code we require right? First one notepad, right? Yes. A web browser like Chrome. Right? Yes. Okay. So we'll see one by one HTML tags, right? We have got HTML tags for performing this HTML tags. Starting a tag. Generally for starting a tag, right? Yes. Tag name. Closing a tag. Slash tag name, right? Starting a tag name, closing a tag, right? For bold tag, opening a bold tag, closing a bold tag, right? For example, every HTML tag. First one, HTML. HTML is a tag. We have got a tag HTML. This tag says that the document is HTML document. HTML is not case sensitive. head tag. Yeah, title, right? To specify the title of the document. To specify the title. Next, we have got one more tag. Other formatting tags, right? Like BR, if we take BR tag, break tag. To move to go to next line. To go to next line. Italic tag, I. Text appears in italic form. Text appears in bold form. Right. And you underline tag. Next. So italic, bold, underline, right? P tag. What is P tag? Paragraph tag. Next. Comment, right? A comment here. Comment, right? Yes. For displaying comment, right? Yes. Next, body tag. We have got one more tag like body tag, right? Yes. Whatever we want to display, whatever we want to display. Within the web page. Whatever we want to display within the web page should be within this body tag. Body tag has got attributes, right? Body tag has got BG color. Okay, body color has got attributes like BG color, right? The color to be displayed to the background. Text, right? The color to be used, for the text in the web page. So the color to be displayed to the background text, the color to be used for the text in the web page, the color to be used for the text in the web page. Okay, let us see one example, right? Example of this. So just open a notepad, right? Working with this HTML, right? Just what I do. Okay, one second. A notepad file. HTML. Every HTML tag starts with HTML tag. It says that it is the start of the HTML document. Next, within the HTML, we have got, if you want to give some title to the document, we have got a tag called head tag. Within the head tag, we give this title tag, right? So every tag should have opening and closing. For HTML also, /HTML. Head tag also, head has got one tag called title tag.
Sir, here indentation will be there.
No indentation, nothing. Sample web page, right? Sample web page. I'm closing this title tag. One second. Okay, every tag should have that opening and closing tag. And here also title, open and closed. So what is the title I've given? Sample web page. And this head tag is open and head tag is closed here, /head. Whatever you want to display within the web page should be within the body tag. Body, yes, within the /body. /body, right? Body and /body. Okay. For example, I want to display something, right? I want to display, okay. Good morning. Keep Hyderabad within the italic tag /I. For example, if I want everything within the bold, right? Everything. See, welcome to the Django. Welcome to the Django world, right? So in this way, italic tag you want, for example, this Django, if you want to underline it, okay, this everything in bold form, everything should be in the bold form. See, observe this, it's in the bold form /B. Keep everything within the bold form. So Python, just I'm saying Python is a high level language. Python is a high level language. So just Python I want in bold, and also Python I want in underlined form. Only Python /B/U. Yes, Python is a high level language. Observe this output, right? Yes, one sec. Save it. File, save it as .html, right? Save, right? .html. Django March. HTML. One sample web page, right? Sample web page .html. Just give any name you give .html you give, right? Yes. Now go to that folder where you have created it. Go to that folder, right, where it's available. March patch. HTML. Here you can see it, sample web page.html. If you save, by default, you will get in like this. See that how it got in browser format. Right, double click, use double then is the high level language. What happened? 3 lines are written, all the 3 in the same line. So what you do, you can just if you want to open this, right click, break tag here for the first one. Second one also use break tag for the second one. Okay, welcome to DJANGO. Yeah, Python is a high-level language. So everything in the BR tag, right? All in this BR tag. BR, and BR. BR tag means break tag to go to the next line. Just observe this, right? Save it, Control S. Go to and save it, right? And just double click it. Yes, you got in 3 different lines, right? First one is good morning, Hyderabad in italic. Welcome to DJANGO world, everything in the bold form. Python is a high level language. Python is what is underlined form and bold form, bold and underline both applied on it. So HTML is used to present your data on the web page. HTML is to present your data on the web page. How good you present your data on the web page with different fonts, colors, images, right? Tables. Now, the web page is in white color background and the text is in the black color background. But I want some different colors to this web page. I want some colors to this background. See, for example, body, the total web page should be in yellow or red, some color, right? Yes. Observe this. Body, for this body we can give some attributes like bg color. Background color is what color? Background is red color, right? Text color equal to text is yellow. That's it, right? Yes. bg color red, text color is yellow. Now just observe this. Go and refresh. Go and just refresh here. This is the refresh button, right? Just now you can see the web page color is red color, text color is yellow color, right? You got the text color as yellow, web page, the total page as red, right? Yes. Okay. Next, for example, the text appears is too small. The text is too small. It's not visible, not properly visible, right? If you want to increase the font, we got a tag called headings tag. Okay.
Sir, how you have connected web browser to Notepad?
Where you will give the extension as .html, right? Whenever you give that the file name as .html, any name .html, what happens? You will get that Chrome format, right? You will get that. So if you check this, I have given as .html. How you got this, right? The file. Double click it. That's it. Just it. Double click it. It opens in the web page. Otherwise, right click.
Okay.
Can open it. Right click or open with. Or choose another app. You say choose another app and select this Chrome and always use the app to open the HTML files. Which browser you want? In this way, right?
Do we need to give indentation?
In indentation not required.
Okay, fine.
See, it's not case sensitive. If you're writing uppercase, lowercase, also it don't differ. It's a case sensitive. It's not case sensitive. No indentation, right? Okay. Next, headings. Before that heading tag, right? Before I go with heading tag, we have got a font tag. Okay, just I'll copy this. Yes, 1 second. Yeah, 1 second. So I'm just pasting the example here. Next is the font tag. So font tag has attributes such as size. Size it has got, color it has got, face, ranges from -6 to +6. Ranges from -6 to minus. +6 to -6, right? Yes. Size, color, face. Example, right? Right. Font size equal to font size equal to 6. Size equal to 6. Color equal to blue. Observe this, font size equal to 6, color equal to blue. And what is this face, right? This face means what? FAC, face equal to Times New Roman Arial, right? Arial I want. The Django framework. Just I'm saying the Django framework / font. Every one of you can do parallelly along with me, right? So all these sessions will be like hands-on. You can do parallelly along with me. Font size, face Arial, the Django framework / font, right? So just I'll include this line in our code. This line I'll just include in our. Just I'm pasting here at the last line before within the body tag. Yes.
How can we comment specific line?
Hmm?
If you want to uncomment any specific line,
If you want to comment a specific line, right? This comment. Keep this symbol right before that, and this hyphen this one at the end. The line comes here. The line is not the whatever line, you keep that line. Okay, now I just copied, right? I copied, right? Font size is, color is blue, face is Arial. Just go and refresh the web page. Go and just refresh the web page. DJANGO framework you got, right? DJANGO framework. Next is headings. Just include this one line in that, right? Next. HTML provides 6 tags, right? HTML provides 6 tags for headings. HTML provides 6 tags for headings from H1 to H6. If anyone facing problem in anything, right, you can just intimate, you can share your screen. H1 to H6, right? H1 will be the bigger heading. H1 will be the bigger heading. H6 will be the smaller heading. H1 will be the bigger, H6 will be the smaller heading. For example, in the same coding, right? Yes, I'll just type it. H1, I'm giving H1, I'm giving like Python programming. Slash H1. So I'll copy paste this for 6 times. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Control V. Control V. H1, H2, H2, H3. Okay, now just observe this, refresh it, right? Just refresh this. Yes. Not displayed here. 1 second. We didn't save it. Control S. Save it and just refresh here. Python programming, Python, right? Yes, you can see, right? H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. H6 is the smallest one. H1 is the biggest heading. Anytime you want headings the biggest, go for H1. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
In between, if there is a typo error, any error there, how can we get that error at specific line or anything there like that?
If you make any errors, right? If you observe the same, it won't display any errors, but observe here,
Okay.
for example, Python programming, this bracket I didn't close, /H1, this angular braces is not closed.
Okay.
Check it. If you go and refresh, that is not displayed.
Okay, that particular line.
The particular line is not displayed.
Oh, okay.
But no. Particular line is not displayed. It's displayed, but it's that H1 is not applied. See here.
Yes, yes,
That
yes.
H1 or H2, that H1 or H2, whatever it is. This H1,
Okay.
this is H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. H1 for H1 it is applied. For H2 it's not applied. It appears in normal text, just like that.
Yes, yes, yes. Got it.
So if you have got any error, either it won't display it, or otherwise it will, the text, whatever format you are doing, the format won't be applied.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, next. I'll copy this entire code, right? Please be in mute. Okay, control V. Now, there is a tag called strike. For striking a word, phrase, or a sentence. for striking a word, phrase, or a sentence. For example, strike, go to this. For example, here I'm saying H1. Python. $20,000. Strike it. Slash strike. $10,000. Check this, right? I'm striking this 20,000 and saying it's 10,000. Python summer offer price 20,000 is struck and it is placed as 10,000. Next. SUB means for subscript. For the subscript, right? Yes. For subscript, right? Yes, sub for subscript in the subscript. For example, what is subscript means? H2O. H2O means where the two comes here. Where the two comes.
Base of H.
Right. How to display that? H2 means H is there as it is. SUB subscript SUB. 2 should come as subscript. SUB H2O, right? So this SUB slash SUB 2 I kept. H2O is the chemical name of water. So keep everything within the H1 tag. H2O is the chemical name of water. Just go and refresh. Go and refresh. This is H2O subscript, right? H2O is the chemical name of water. H1 tag applied. H1 tag means you will get in bigger font. This particular font you want, I want in blue color. Font tag is there. This Arial font, size 6. Next.
Sir, we can give H1 heading or any heading many times as we want.
Anytime, any number of times. Here I have given H1, here I have given H1, here I have given H1.
And H1 is not closed in the first one.
Here, I'm supposed to close it. Otherwise, the everything will be appear in H1 slash H1. If you're not closing H1, what happens? The whatever text comes after this also will be displayed in same H1 font. So if you close here, this H1 is applied up to here itself. So here, if you see this Python H1 is applied up to here, right? From thereafter, H2 is applied. Okay, just like subscript, we have what superscript also, right? Yes. Subscript, superscript. For superscript. For superscript, how can I write? Yes, here. What is the area of circle? Pi r square, right?
Yes.
Pi r square is the okay. Superscript 2. Pi r square is there. Pi r square is the area of circle. This also you can say in H1 tag. Everything display in H1 tag or H2 tag, right? Yes. Slash H2 tag, right? Yes. Okay, just observe here, right? Just go and refresh. Refresh, it's right. Pi r square. Pi into r square is the area of circle. Now next. Okay. Okay, next observe this, right? Yes. Mark you. There's one more called
Vijay,
Yes.
how can we put comment in the code itself?
Yes, we can keep comment. For example, H6, I want to comment this. H6, you want to comment. Otherwise, this pi r square, you want to comment it, right? So here, what is that? This exclamator, this.
Okay, at both ends.
Yes, the here what happens? Now this won't be displayed.
And one more thing there, this line get commented there. If I want to comment there anything information or any what exactly that function doing or any line that
So here,
like
one
in
second.
Python we're commenting in hash and we're writing some information about that line or code, what exactly that line doing like that. This line get commented there specific.
Yes, yes, here line is commented, but okay. For example, if you want to write, one second.
Yes, sir. So most of the time
So
we're
here-
writing comment in the code
So
there.
here, if you want to write what it is, so what is this? For example, here you can do like this. In this way, you can write subscript
Okay.
sub, whatever you want to write your comment, you write it and finally close like this.
Okay, same fashion.
Mm.
Okay, fine.
Execute once and check. Okay, it won't be displayed. Next is displaying the text in scrolling form. Displaying the text in scrolling form. Attribute, okay. Displaying the text in scrolling form is, for example, just go to this program code and just write H1 new DJANGO batch. New DJANGO batch starting from today. Starting from today, yes. Slash H1, right? This everything keep within the marquee. Marquee and slash marquee, right? Yes. Okay, marquee means it will scroll across the web page. New DJANGO batch starting from today. For example, okay, mark you. Displaying the text in the scrolling format. So it has got a mark you. For example, within the mark you, I'll give BG color, background color, right? BG color equal to background color. Mark you background color is green. Background mark you background color is green.
Sir, that color we can specific in single quotes.
Yeah, single or double. Just observe, I will refresh it. Now you will get like this. New DJANGO batch starting. Background color. So this HTML is only just to present your data on the web page, but we use Python or Java, right? Whichever language you are using, Python, Java for dynamism, right? Whenever you click submit button, the total submission should happen. The data should be stored in the database and fetching the data from the database that HTML cannot, but only how good you can present your data on the web page using this HTML, right?
Sir, the width of the background color, it will take according to the font size or like marquee size.
No. We can set by
Like the green color, the width.
Default height you are talking.
It's about the rectangle size of the green color shade.
We can also specify the width 1 second. Height and width also there are options I'll discuss, right? So
Okay.
height and width, for example, BG color width equal to 100 I've given. Check it what it displays. Width is 100. This is 100.
It will work according to a marquee font or marquee width, right? Not according to font size.
Not according to font size. 700 I'm
Okay,
giving.
okay.
700 I'm giving, right? Check this. 700 means this one. 900, 1000 you give. Okay. Height also you can set, right? Height also, how much, what should be the height of it. So we have got many attributes for this, right? We have got many attributes for this. Mark BG color, right? Okay. So basic tags, these are the basic tags, right? But we have got some tags like next HTML common tags. I'll be discussing more on this mark attributes, right? But we have got some tags. I want the data to be displayed in the tabular form. I want to display that how to display some images on the web page. Displaying images on the web page, displaying data in a tabular form, and we can also display some videos on the web page, and how to display some forms, right? Forms on the web page, buttons, text fields, text area. Means generally like a username, one box will be there, rectangular box for entering data. We call as text field, text area, radio buttons, check buttons, and frames. Dividing, I can divide the web page into multiple rows and columns, right? That is, we call it using frames concept. Fine. So just introduction to this HTML, right? We have got some basic stack. Yes, one second. Okay. Okay, just try with these things, right? Try with these things. So tomorrow we'll discuss more on this, right? Yes. So tomorrow we'll have the session, right? Yes. Ten to 12. Tomorrow we'll have the class from 10 o'clock to 12, right? 10 to 12, we'll have the class. Fine.
Vijay, today you changed the time as 9:30, right?
Yes.
I missed half an hour session actually.
9:30. No. I started at 9:45, 9:50. I started.
Yeah, same here. I
Okay.
also missed a few started minutes.
No. 9:45, 9:50. I started, right? Right. So
Actually, yesterday I asked you, na, when is the class? So you said 10 a.m. So I woke up at 4:30 accordingly.
okay,
So
that's fine.
that's
So
why I'm asking, like, tomorrow also it will be
no.
10 o'clock.
Tomorrow sharp at 10 o'clock we'll start, right?
Okay, fine.
So a sharp will start at 10 o'clock, 10 to 12, right? You can just go. Fine. So you can just check this in your to your mail IDs, right? You'll be getting the YouTube link of today's video, right? Today's video you'll be getting to your Gmail.
So notes.
A link will be
Notes also,
forwarded,
sir.
right?
Sir, I missed the last weekend class, so I'm not able to link the HTML to the DJANGO engine.
No. Last week we didn't discuss anything, right, about HTML.
Okay. So how are you getting the DJANGO with the HTML? That part I missed. Can I look into it in the YouTube? You just
Yeah, last week and this week both videos will be given, right, to your mail
Okay.
IDs after 1 hour or 2 hours, right? No.
Okay.
Okay, fine. You can just go through and you can check that video and you can just, okay. So I'll stop for now.
Yes.
We'll meet tomorrow, right?